Hi, I'm Scott Duncan. Welcome to AirTech. I've been in the industry over 25 years. Sales, service, installations, branch manager, technical support, all aspects. At AirTech, we're always looking for new and innovative products as well as solutions to make the technician's job easier. Have a look at this Dolly we just brought in specifically for heat pumps. Check out our heat pump Dolly. Very similar to a fork truck. With our forks at the front, we pick our unit up, prop it up. This makes a one or a two-man job into a one-man job. As you can see, I can unload the truck, take this right over to the stand, and then place it on the stand. So two-man job has now become a one-man job, thanks to our heat pump Dolly.